In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bullet points in Canva 2024. Whether you're designing a presentation, creating social media posts, or working on other visual projects, changing bullet points can add a touch of personality and enhance the readability of your design. Let's dive in and discover how you can achieve this with ease. First things first, you'll want to open Canva and log into your account. If you haven't already set up an account, creating one is simple and free, and it'll give you access to a wide array of design tools and templates. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start creating. Next, it's time to create a canvas or select a design that you want to tailor. If you're starting a new project, click on the Create a Design button and choose the type of design you're aiming for, whether it's a presentation, a social media post, or something else. Alternatively, open an existing file if you have one ready. Now, focus on your design by clicking on where you need to add or modify a list. This could be a text box where you have content that benefits from being organized in list form. Once you have the text box selected, the next step is simple. Locate the floating toolbar at the top of your Canva interface. This toolbar is dynamic and presents you with different tools depending on what you have selected within your design. When your text box is highlighted, the toolbar adjusts to offer text formatting options, among other tools. To change your bullet points, click on the list tool available in the floating toolbar. You will notice a variety of bullet point styles and numbered lists. This is where the real customization happens. You might want round bullet points, squares, or even custom icons. Choose whichever suits the theme and tone of your project best. Experiment with the different styles until you find one that aligns with your visual storytelling. Remember, consistency is key in design, so once you select a bullet point style, aim to use it consistently throughout your project for a cohesive look. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change bullet points in Canva 2024. Remember, these small changes can make a big difference in the overall impact of your design. Whether it's making information more digestible or just adding a bit of flair, customizing your bullet points is a straightforward yet effective way to enhance your projects. Thanks for following along and happy designing!